Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the update on SEI. For the past several weeks, the price of SEI is still getting rejected by this downtrend line resistance. You can see that since after 12th of December, it is getting rejected by this resistance. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, few more rejections here, and recently the price is once again rejected by the resistance, this downtrend line resistance. And we have also broken down this very long-term support zone as well. By the way, that is now flipped into a resistance zone. And this support zone starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. That is now working as a resistance for the past several days or weeks. If you take a look at the previous history, then you can see that this support zone has been working as a strong support zone here, support zone here, support zone here. And after the breakout here in the month of November 2023, for several days, it has been working as a support zone. And the significance of this support zone is very high because it is also working, it was also working as a recent single point for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of February 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for bounce bid, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 12th of Feb 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SEI. And here we are watching on the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several weeks, the price on SEI is not able to break out this downtrend and resistance. By the way, while moving to the downside and getting rejected by this resistance, this downtrend and resistance, we have also broken down this very long-term uptrend line support as well. That is now flipped into a resistance. You can see that previously it was working as support line here, support here, support here, support here. And after the breakout, the price line breakdown, the price line tried to break it out once again, but could not break out here. And then we got another rejection by this uptrend line resistance. And at the same time, the price line also got rejected by this downtrend line resistance. So it was rejected by this crisscross. And now it is dropped down here at this long-term support of 17 cents and bounce, and now it is trying to break out this resistance on that start from 20 cents and goes to 22 cents. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this down trend line resistance as well. By the way, the significance of this support line is very high from 20 to 22 cents because it was also breaking it as a recent single point before the breakout from this Fed. Therefore, to hit the target for the breakout from this Fed, we need to break out this resistance line as soon as possible. And the target for the breakout from this wedge pattern will be, by the way, here at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at $1.10. But in order to reach there, we need to break out so many resistance levels. We need to break out this downtrend and resistance, this resistance zone, and then another major resistance will be this downtrend and a quite long-term downtrend and resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.